are event listener interfaces. And based on that, I can just pull out the method names, sun rose and sunset, and allow the user to right click and say, when sun rose, do something. When sunset, do something. And it can generate listeners for you. So that was another thing what they were trying to do with Java Beans. Again, leveraging these existing patterns like the observer pattern. We don't use that all that much anymore, but it was really neat for a little while. And one of the tools that implemented it really well was Visual Age for Java, which was a precursor to Eclipse. And then after all that's taken out, any other public methods are just called methods. Those are actions you can run. You could right click on the person, when sun rose, go over to another bean and say, call this method. And poof, you can get nice chain reactions and everything. Really neat things. Okay, and that is really all I have for this. Any questions on anything? Hopefully this was helpful. And the patterns get a little bit more complex over time. This is one of the simpler ones, but this one's a real key for some of the later patterns, especially for next week when we talk about model view controller. But not next week, next month. Okay, question? So what's a good way to observe collections? Well, first of all, the base collections don't have any type of observable mechanism in them. Now, there's a couple little tricks you can do. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. And what I tend to do with collections, let's make it a list instead of just a general collection.